In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn your joins on in Roblox mobile and iPad. So go ahead, open up your Roblox app. Then after that, click on the More tab at the bottom. Then scroll down until you find settings. Go ahead and access it. And after that, just click on privacy right here. Then just give it a moment to load. This should only take a couple of seconds. So just give it a moment. Then click on communication and make sure party is enabled to friends, as you can see right here. Just click on it and then just go back, and after that you want to go to account visibility and private servers, as you can see. Then go to visibility, then choose everyone right here, and you should be good to go. So as always, thank you for watching.